Hi, today I'm going to be talking about our Level 5 Diploma in Leadership for Health and Social Care course. I'll just start off by sharing my screen and showing you what it'll look like once you're enrolled on the course with us. So as you can see here, this is what will be on your mandatory units section of the course. So it has your initial documentation, as well as the 6 units that you'll be required to complete in regards to your mandatory units. In your mandatory units, you'll have a combination of written assignments, some observation elements, as well as evidence-based as well. So for the course, you are also required to pick a specialised pathway. So you have the option of 3. So your first one is children and young people residential. So this is if you're working primarily with children and young people within a care home setting. You also have adult residential. So this is if you're going out to people's care homes and things like that. And then you also have pathway F, and that's adult non-residential. So that's if you're going out to people's homes, supported living, domiciliary care. Within your pathways, you also have that combination of written assignments, observations, and evidence. For those observations, you'll be required to demonstrate a set out criteria that we provide on our observation records with a qualified observer present. Now, due to these observations being very practical, you will need to provide an observer. A qualified observer is someone with the qualification or higher, or someone with a number of years of experience within the field. So perhaps your own manager within your organisation would be happy or suitable to do these for you. As far as the learning materials, so in both the mandatory and your pathway, you'll have access to videos, PowerPoints, and things like that, as well as a reading list with helpful books and websites that you can use for further research. If it's the case that there is sort of any specific questions that you may have in regards to your assignments, your units, or perhaps, your feedback, we have a support ticket system. So what's in there? What you can do is raise a ticket about any of those things I've mentioned, and they'll get back to you the same working day. They can also pop you in contact with your tutor should you need to speak to them. But you'll also have access to something that's called our knowledge base. So in your knowledge base, this has useful FAQ videos, general queries, anything that may be able to help answer your questions. But again, if there's nothing in there that does answer your specific query, if you just pop off a support ticket to our team, they'll be able to get back to you that same working day. So everything I've just had a quick discussion about there, that is all inclusive in your pricing. So the price you see on the website, that is everything that's included in there. So your awarding body for the qualification is Focus Awards. So they're a fully Ofqual regulated and fully accredited awarding body. So it's a fully recognised qualification. Your qualification is also recognised by CQC, and you can register for this once you're enrolled. All you have to do is ask our helpful team just for a cover letter detailing your enrolment, and they can get that sent off for you. As far as your certification process, that can take around 6 to 8 weeks, so that's always something to be aware of as well. The course is ideal if you're looking at becoming a registered manager or opening your own sort of residential care home or business, so that's sort of something to think about as well. I hope this was helpful. If there's any questions that you may have which you don't feel like I've answered, all you have to do is just submit a sales ticket below, and our sales team will get back to you that working day as well to answer any queries that you may have. Thanks a lot.